everyone! Today, let's learn a very common Chinese word for family, lao Gong. In English, lao Gong means husband. Now let's look at the two characters. Lao usually means old, but here it is not about age. In many Chinese words, lao makes the word sound more friendly and close. Think of it like old friend. It means a good, long-time friend. Gong usually means public, like in Gong. But its older meaning was an important man or a respected man in the community. So long ago, Gong was a title for a person with some status. Put them together. Lao, friendly, close, Gong, respected man, together lao Gong, which is a friendly and respectful way for a wife to call her husband. It's like saying my dear husband or my hubby. Important. Today, when we say lao Gong, we don't think about old or public or even an important man. It is simply the most common and loving word for husband. Example, "这是我的老公, this is my husband." So remember, lao Gong equal to husband, a friendly and common word for the man you are married to. Got it?